how to use TikTok filters. So if you want to use filters on TikTok, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, launch the TikTok application and then make sure that you're signed into your account. Then once you're signed into your account, this is the option you will see. Tap on the plus icon from the bottom, and let's say you want to simply upload your video right here. So maybe you go ahead and select a certain video and then you hit the next option. And now maybe you want to add and use some of the filters to this video. Well, those can be found right at the bottom. So you can use one effect or filter, you can choose another one, and you can choose other one. Just based on whichever one you want, you can go ahead and then simply search for this particular filters. On the right hand side also, you'll be able to see a couple of options. You can see effects icon and you can see other options. You can also tap on the effects icon there to be able to find all of the trending and visual effects or transitions or anything as such. And once you select a certain one, you can just hit the save button to be able to use those effects or filters. That's all it takes for us to use filters on TikTok. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.